Hello, welcome. If you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel to get more of this. Here is making ads in mobile using the ads mode. First, create your app and know where you want to put your ads. And the next thing is to create an account with AdMob and then create the app and then the ads unit. This app, you see the icon there because it's a link with Google Play. That's why you can be able to see. And once you click this ads unit, you're able to link it. But before you create the ad unit, you can use the test ads ID to test your ads. You can search for AdMob test ID and you will get it. And you can see that when it is ready for you to display, you see the ready something here. Let's go into the practical what we are here for inside the Android Studio. So in the Android Studio, you can look at my ads here. First, you need to add this particular portion which identify you as a user. Every publisher has its own publisher ID. You can copy your publisher ID and do here. I just erased my own now. Now the next thing you have to do is to add this Marvin Central. Create no matter what project structure you're going to use. This Marvin Central will show you on the documentation how to add it. But this is a new project structure. I'll still show you. Then we have where you put the dependencies. When you put a dependency, and that is done. The next thing is in your start activity, you put drag and drop your ad view here for the banner, and then you put the ID of the ads here, which is banner ID. I put in a string and I reference it there. So the next thing you need to do, let's go back to our document so that we can see what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is the banner ID, and then the other one you can always get it in your settings. So another thing is to also go to the documentation to just reverse on that. We have the types of ads formats: banner, interested, native, and rewarded. Look at what I said here. This documentation is very clever. I just want to go through so that you can see what it is. Like the Marvin Central, the beef script, you have all those things, and then the dependency is just here for you to add. I'll just show you the other pathway of where the dependency is being added. So another thing which we would like to look about is interstitial ads, which is also here. You can see it's a number 2, interstitial ads. This one do not wait for users when you have to do. Now let's look at it in the terrestrial ads. I have it in this activity. So in terrestrial ads, when you have an interstitial ad, you have to declare the variable of the interstitial ads. I've declared it as a global variable in this, a member of the class, and you can see if it is null. When I want to show the ad, if it is null, it will not show, and if it is not null, it will show. And if my load again something because I'm controlling the load again, if you initialize again. And what is this initialization? Initialization, normally I initialize this on create, but if I show the ads and I want to reshow as the user is playing the game, I will have to reinitialize it. And I only initialize when load again is true. So what are we going to say here? Look at it. This is just like the other one too. Initialization, you have to request, and when it is unloaded, this is very, very important. Your global variable is being assigned to the ads which has been unloaded. If phase, no problem. We have to make it null, make sure that everything is null when it fades. And when you finish showing, you have to also be null. Where is that finish showing? On full screen content and dismiss when you dismiss the full screen. Next thing which I would like you to know, let me go take you back to the web. This art is being shown on the triple threads. You can check out what has been done there. You play the game and you see through it. So that is just it. When you click the back here, you show the ads. After playing for continuing for another set of time, it will just after 4 times it will still show you the ads. But for other times that you play, the ads will not be shown because I'm controlling the ads. So I would like to say this is a very quick review of the ads on AdMob. And so it's only when I want to show the ads I'll show this thing I have already checked out. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This is a very crash course about this thing. I just mentioned some very important things like the test ID and place your ads where user will not unintentionally click, especially for banner ads like that, because you get blocked. Here is the link to the stats which has been showed there. And you can also look at my browser here, be able to get to that, but to get this app on the Play Store. Thank you. Goodbye.